So, welcome back. My name is Titus. We are doing some more Platinum Ranked. My last video, we went against two meta decks. We lost both of them. This time, we won the die roll. So, let's see what we can do. So, we open with two Nerval, Maxi Ash, and a Fractal. This is a very interesting hand here. So where are we gonna go with this? I think we always go ahead and activate Fractal here. And we're going to go ahead and send a kit. Kit's gonna activate, and we are going to probably add Karis here. No, we're gonna send Nerval. Then we're gonna add Karis. That would be very silly of me. Ooh, actually no, we don't actually have to do that. We can send Oath. What do we do? Yeah, let's go ahead and just send Oath. And then we're gonna normal summon our Nerval. We're gonna banish two, we're gonna get Verigite. We are not going to activate Verigite's effect here. We are basically just gonna link straight into some Morgue. And then we're going to activate Nerval as Chainlink 1. And we'll do Verigite as Chainlink 2. See what we can kind of like stack around here. So we're going to draw. Oh, that's interesting. I don't think it's as good as just go ahead and grabbing a Fractal here, though. I think we can just go ahead and grab a Fractal. Oh, but we could have put the other Nerval back, actually. So we're going to grab Karis instead. Actually, it was the right play to put the Nerval back. I think with Maxi Ash, we're going to end here. It seems a little weak, but we're going to summon Apex Avian. Which is an Omni Negate. Big chicken. We're gonna go ahead and put him in defense to play around Lightning Storm. So we don't necessarily have to burn the negate on the Lightning Storm. So Ash, Maxi, and an Omni Negate. So we have 3 pieces of interruption. Let's see what our opponent's playing. Stand by main. Now that I think about it, I think putting back the Nerval was a really good play and keeping... Go ahead and grabbing the Karis anyway, putting back the Nerval, and then on next turn, we activate Tinky, grab Fractal. That was the better play. That was actually the better play. Okay, big think here. In my last video, I actually ended the recording, but I didn't die. I did die eventually, but it took like 2 more back and forth. I ended up outing the whole board. Foolish Burial. Do we Ash Blossom this? I think we go ahead and Ash Blossom this. If they're playing Bird or Orchist or Eldritch or Drytron, maybe they need something in the grave. I know it's pretty good Ash bait, Okay, Tour Guide. Normal summon Tour Guide, so they could be playing PK. Let's go ahead and max C here. Take the max C challenge, baby. Let me draw more cards. Now we get to see if they're playing BA or PK, and I'm assuming PK. Another meta deck. Yep. Well, there's BA. There's Graph. This is not necessarily PK still. PK does play this card. But it could absolutely just be BA for Burning Abyss. If this becomes a Dante, I'm gonna riot. Cherubini? It is a Dante, so they're playing. Oh! I found a Farfa viewer. Once returned, you can detach. This is cost. Yeah, I'm not gonna ash that. That is a nice, pretty Royal Dante. I'm not gonna lie. That's gorgeous. Alright, so Graph effect. And then Seer effect. I would be responding to Seer's effect, which would be to special summon Skarm. Right? Yeah, I don't necessarily care. Hey Oreo, what's up, my boy? We're not gonna do anything about this. Okay. Sometimes you just draw Regeki. I do like special summons. The games are going pretty well. Sure, give me more cards. Platinum is where all of the games kind of get more interesting. So this could be a Cherubini. Maybe a Cherubini? Oh, we are actually playing against Burning Abyss. Let's go. Wowzers. So the thing about Burning Abyss is everything is for cost. And so I only can negate their effect rather than like what they do for cost. So they discard a card. So they discarded Farfa here. And I can't respond to them wanting to discard Farfa because it's cost of the card of Virgil. I can only negate right here where he shuffles back my Nerval. See, we've drawn 3 cards so far based off of all these specials. He's going to reveal Livik in hand. So what does this do? Let's go ahead and read this one, please. If this you control monster is not a regular special this card, you can use one of these effects. If you control no spell types, you special this card from your hand. This is a once per turn. We can negate this. Honestly, it wouldn't be that big a deal. We're going to take 2,500 damage if we do negate this. But I don't know if I want him to extend any further. I know I would get another draw from Maxi, but I don't know if I want the extension. We're going to go ahead and do this. Going to negate that, destroy it. It's going to get sent to grave. He's going to go ahead and special summon a level 3. No, it's negated. He can't actually do it. Okay, never mind. We're taking 100, and then we're going to take 25. We are not going to activate Imperm. So next turn, we're just going to... I think we're going to activate Regeki and try to kill him. I think that's the plan. It's going to move to defense. No big deal. Main 2. He has 4 cards in terms of advantage here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cards. He's going to go ahead and go into Zeus. We do not care about this. We are just going to Regeki the board. Oh my gosh. We also don't care because we got Imperm, so... Don't matter. And then we're going to draw a card for turn. He set 2. This is scary. Okay, let's break this board. Okay. Activating Scarm and Grave. Going to add another tour guide for next turn. So he has his follow-up for next turn. So we really kind of need to kill him, to be honest. We drew another Sapphire Swallow. All right, so we have a bunch of cards in hand. He knows one of them. So let's go ahead and go to main phase, and let's go ahead and just activate this Regeki. Does he have a Judgment? No, he just surrendered. Okay, that's kind of how it goes. Max C's an insanely good card. Every time he special summons, I gain another card. We were pretty much breaking the board anyway. We had so much advantage, especially drawing the Warbler off the Max C. So we can kind of just go into our engine and not care. And a lot of people think Max C is a divisive card. I like it in the OCG. Playing with this new OCG list, I really enjoy playing with it. Because in the TCG, we don't have it. So, what do you think about Max C? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, everybody. We appreciate it, and we will see you in the next one. Happy dueling, guys.